Good morning, everybody on YouTube. It's December 25th, and I decided to go for a walk. Yeah, it's Christmas Day. Yeah, I decided to go for a little walk, nature walk. You hear the birds? See all the winter birds? You hear them? Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, chirping, making noise. Yeah, I'm just in this. See, I came from over there. I'm going that way. Oops, that way. Yeah, just a little walk. Yeah. You hear those birds? Or no? That's a squirrel. You hear a squirrel? I hear a squirrel. And I hear birds, yeah. So it's just me walking. I want to go see the river, see what's around. There should be nobody around because it's Christmas Day. But I just wanted to get out in the fresh air today, yeah. It's a holiday, but I have to go for my little walk, yeah. I have to walk an hour today, yeah. Yeah, so might as well just make a video too of me walking, yeah. There's a better view. Okay. Yeah, it's a little windy, but it's really warm. It's only -5 out. Yeah, -5 today. Yeah, little wind. Yeah, I'm heading there. Just about to the park. Yeah, I'll show you where I'm gonna walk and all that. Yeah, just me walking. Happy Christmas. Happy Christmas Day. It's Christmas Day. Hi to everybody who ever watches these. I don't know who watches these. In YouTube land. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's nice. Oh. Yeah, it's a nice day. See, look. See the park? The park. There's the church. See the church? Yeah. It's nice, yeah. Yeah. Just walk again. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Have a little walk. Yeah. I'll show you there's a better view, see? We still have lots of snow. Yeah, I see the snow there. Piles of snow. See the snow? Piles of snow all over still. Oh, they cleaned this, they cleaned the road nice and good, yeah. Oh yeah, the road's good, yeah. Nice to walk on the road. There, the wind's picking up now. Just a tiny bit windy. Yeah. Blowing a little bit. The wind is blowing. Yeah. There. Oh, that's a better view, yeah. Oh yeah, the wind is really picking up now, but it's not cold. Some cans on the ground. A little bit of garbage. Hope there's a trail here. I don't know if there's a trail. Yeah, it's a tall trail. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if I could go on it. Yeah, it's too high. Or it's not high. I don't know if I could get up there. I don't know. Oh, geez. I don't want to slip or anything. No. I'll try to get up. Oh, that's too high, but way too high. Maybe I have to go around a little bit. Yeah, this is just a trail here, but I can't get up. But I'll try to get up. Oh, geez. Oh, I got up. Oh, geez. Yeah, it's a pretty big trail. Or, not a trail. Hill. I had to get up a hill. Yeah. There I go. Now I'm on the trail. I'm on the trail now. There I go. There, I made it. Yeah. Oh, here's the trail. There. I made it. There. Just me walking. I'm just about to the bridge, train bridge and all that. Just be walking still. Yeah, I'll switch it. I'll switch it just about. Well, I'm just about to the train bridge. I'll switch it and show you where I'm walking to. Yeah, there's not very many people out here, no. I don't see nobody out here. No, nobody at all. I want to show you the flag. The flag is flapping. You see it? It's right there. Yeah, I want to get to the flag. Get to the flag. Show you the flag. Show you underneath the bridge again. The bridges. Yeah. So I'm just about there. See? Oh, you can't see. Yeah, it's in front of me. Wait. Oh, it's a nice day. Oh, nice and warm. So you still have to put your toque on and your jacket. Oh yeah, here's the bridge. I'm gonna go under the train bridge. See? There's the train bridge. See? It's me going under. Look at the frost. See, there's frost on the concrete. Isn't that neat? Yeah. Frost. Then I'm going to go under the regular bridge. There's the regular bridge. And that's the train bridge. See? They're close by. And there's the under the. Oh, that wind's picking up. Here's that frost again. All over. Frost. That's neat. Hey. I wonder if I could go somewhere here. Oh yeah, there's trails here. Yeah. Yeah, there's a trail. See the flag flapping. And there's the trail. Here, I'll switch it around for you so you can see it. See, that's how windy it is. See how windy? And it's at half mast because it's Christmas Day. Yeah, see the trails. This is under the bridge. Under the bridge. There's that frost again on the concrete. See that frost on the concrete? Just frost. But that's neat. Hey, wait. See, I made a smiley face. I made a smiley face on the concrete. Here, I'll switch it back. There I am again. Yeah, just under the bridge. I wanted you just to see the half-mast flag for Christmas Day. Keep walking a bit. Then maybe I'll end it because it's nice. Holy, it's a nice day. Nice day to go for a walk. See, there's people driving around, but there's not very many people out Christmas Day. Yeah, but I have to come for my walk. Yeah, walk every day. That's my motto. Yeah, take a little walk. Yeah. There's the flag. Look how windy it is. Really windy, but not that cold. There it is. There's the boat. See the boat right there? The boat and the rail car. That's in my park where I live, the town where I live. And that's the flag, Canadian flag. That's the bridge. See the bridge? The bridge, and then behind it, it's the train bridge. See? The regular bridge and then the train bridge. It goes all the way across the river. Yeah. So I'm going to continue walking here. Yeah. Yeah, I like my walks, yeah. You can still walk and get out. Just do it, yeah. Yeah. And I like walking in the winter. That's my favorite time, winter. See the snow? Oh, blew in my face, yeah. Yeah, it's really windy, yeah. Really windy today. So I'm just gonna walk a little bit more. Walk a little bit more. Oh yeah, the wind's picking up now. Oh. Yeah, it's windy. Oh, I heard a noise. A little squeak or something. Had to check it out. Yeah, I'll just walk a little bit more and then show you the river, and then I'll be going. Okay? That's my Christmas Day walk. Yeah. In the snow and the wind. Yeah. But it's nice. Yeah, it's nice. Nice out today. Nice out today. I'll just do I'll just show you the river. See the bridge? There's the bridge over there. There's the frozen river. Goes all the way down. Yeah, all the way down. That's where I'm going. Okay. I think I'll end my walk today. I know it's yeah, it's pretty windy, yeah, but I'm going to continue to walk. Bye.